The 2006 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, CD player, fog lights, compass, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.